Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Kat. Welcome to the 2000 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is nabawasan, decrease, nabawasan, nabawasan, decrease. Ang bilang ng mga tao sa sakahan ay nabawasan.
The number of people on the farm has decreased.
Ang bilang ng mga tao sa sakahan ay nabawasan. Gasolina, gasoline, gasolina, gasolina, gasoline. Istasyon ng gasolina, gasoline station. Istasyon ng gasolina. Salampay, scarf, salampay, salampay, scarf, pulang salampay, red scarf, pulang salampay, salaming pang-araw, sunglasses, salaming pang-araw, salaming pang-araw, sunglasses. Murang mga salaming pang-araw, cheap sunglasses. Murang mga salaming pang-araw. Sabitan, hanger, sabitan, sabitan, hanger, sabitan ng damit, clothes hanger, sabitan ng damit. Tela, cloth, tela, tela, cloth. Pulang tela, red cloth, pulang tela. Americana, coat, Americana, Americana, coat, pang taglamig na Americana, winter coat, pang taglamig na Americana. Abrigo, overcoat, abrigo, abrigo, overcoat, itim na abrigo, black overcoat, itim na Abrigo. Kapote. Raincoat. Kapote. Kapote. Raincoat. Dilaw na kapote. Yellow raincoat. Dilaw na kapote. Damit pangpawis. Sweatsuit. Damit pangpawis. Damit pangpawis. Sweatsuit. Mabigat na damit pangpawis. Heavy sweatsuit. Mabigat na damit pangpawis. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Filipino, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say decrease? Nabawasan. Nabawasan. And how to say gasoline? Gasolina. Gasolina. What about scarf? Salampay. Salampay. Do you remember how to say sunglasses? Salaming pang-araw. Salaming pang-araw. Let's try hanger. Sabitan. Sabitan. What about cloth? Tela. Tela. Now, let's see if you remember how to say coat. Americana. Americana. Another one. What about overcoat? Abrigo. Abrigo. Do you remember how to say raincoat? Kapote. Kapote. And finally, do you remember how to say sweatsuit? Damit pangpawis. Damit pangpawis. Well done! See you next time! Paalam!